Hello, this is Angela Corbett, and today I'm going to show you how to access student reports using Performance Matters. First, you'll need to log into the Staff Hub. Once you're there, you can click on Staff Quick Links. Next, scroll down to Performance Matters and click there. It's going to ask you to choose an account, so you should choose your school email account. And it should automatically log you into Performance Matters. We are going to look at the reports, and specifically today, the baseball card report. It's going to ask me for my account again. And now I should be able to see all my students. What we're going to do today is work on adding student filters. So click where it says Add Student Filter. Here you can see in each tab different filters that you can use. Demographics, geographical information. I'm going to start with searching for a teacher so it looks a little more like what you see. I'm going to find Kelly Smallstig and click on her. And then I'm going to look at her courses. These are all of Kelly's courses, and I am interested in students in her World Lit courses. I'm going to choose both of these so I get students first semester and second semester. Then I can go into demographics and look at the ethnicity of her students. I can choose whichever ethnicities I'd like to see. I can choose all of the non-white students, or I can choose the subgroups based on what we have in our building goal. So for today, I'm going to choose Hispanic students. I'm going to apply that filter, and now I have all of the Hispanic students in Kelly Smallstig's World Lit courses. So Kelly wants to see her students' grades from the year before. She can go over to the sidebar here where it says grades. The grades from last year would be to 2021-2022. And then these are high school grades. And these are language arts courses. Students in her World Lit class should have been in American Lit last year. Some of them were probably in Language Arts 9 as well. So I'm going to click on both semesters for each of those courses. Now I can see their grades from last year. The next thing I want to do is sort those. So I can sort from A to Z, or I can sort from Z to A. And again, it would bring up the American Lit grades here, and then anybody who is still in English 9 over here. Then Kelly can download this into an Excel spreadsheet so that she can look at it more closely for her PGP. Now, if she would like to choose a different ethnic subgroup, she can exit out on Hispanic, add a student filter, go back to ethnicity, and choose something else. So maybe in this case, we'll choose African American and apply it. And now you can see those students who were in American Lit, what their grades were, those students who were in Language Arts 9. And if a student doesn't have a grade for either of those, most likely that student is new to the district. So they wouldn't have a grade from last year. And again, you can download it, maybe combine those spreadsheets and take a look at what you have, and hopefully that will help you identify which students you'd like to focus on for your PGP. If you're having trouble with that, please reach out. I'd be happy to help you.